Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. In this video, I will show MS Excel 2019. In the previous video, I have already explained about Excel 2007. But in this video series, we will start a new series, that is MS Excel 2019. Please watch all the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel ATS Tech Info, then please subscribe my channel ATS Tech Info and also like and share the video. Let's start our video. MS Excel. MS means Microsoft. MS Excel is a part of MS Office, and MS Office is developed by Microsoft company. MS Excel is a program which is specially designed to enter organized data as well as to analyze, and for calculation purpose it is generally used. It is mostly used for calculation purpose and also for accounting purpose. And about Excel, in Microsoft Office, Excel is very famous for its utility. It is very useful. Overall, I will tell that if you are acquainted with Excel, then you can have a decent job. So, how to start Excel? If you have icon Excel, then double click on it, and also you can have the Excel screen. And how to increase the view of Excel? You have to press the plus symbol in the bottom corner. Then the view will be increased. And minus symbol to zoom out. Plus symbol is zoom in and minus symbol is zoom out. After that, Excel is the combination of rows and column, and the junction of rows and column is known as cell. And how to know the cell number? Cell number is combination of column number and row number. If I will take this, it is G8. That means in the off side G, and in the left side 8, G8, and the row number represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, and column number represented by ABCD. And how many rows and column MS Excel has? If you are using MS Excel 2007, Office 2007 or Office 2007 higher, then in the Office 2007, Office 2010 and Office 2013, there will be 10,48,576 rows. How to know that we have 10,48,576 rows? To know the row number, you have to press Control and down arrow. Simultaneously, you have to press Control and down arrow. Then it will show the row number 10,48,576. To know the column number, you have to press Control and right arrow. It is up to XFD. XFD means 16,384 columns. If you want to return to the original position, then press Control up arrow, then Control left arrow. Then you have the original position, that is A1. How to increase the length of the column? To increase the length of column, then you have to press on the alphabet, then you have to move the cursor to the right hand side, then the symbol will arise, then press and drag. Okay, to decrease you have to press the button uh, and move the mouse to the left side. Okay, then to go to the next cell you have to press tab. To have the bottom cell you have to press down arrow, then to go to the up arrow, left, right, you can use the arrow key, that is navigation key. And to have A, B, C, D, to have our January month, if you want to type January, then you have to press JAN, then all the month name will arise automatically. Just drag it. All the 12 month arise. If you type month, then the day of the week arise. If you type 1, 2, it is the technique of autofill. If you want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you have to type 1 and 2, then select it, then move the this symbol to the corner, bottom corner, then drag it. Then all the numbers from 1 to 15 arise. If you want to increase the number of item, then you have to drag it up to your requirement. These are all about MS Excel. In the next video I will tell you another tricks how to do MS Excel. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel ATS Tech Info, and also like and share the video. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching the video completely. Please subscribe our channel ATS Tech Info, and also like and share the video to your friends and relatives. Thank you.